How to fix a banned Tinder account. If your Tinder account got banned and you're wondering on how to fix it, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will show you the exact steps you need to take to get back on Tinder and start swiping again. So make sure you watch till the end. Before we jump into the fixes, let's quickly go over why your account may have been banned. Tinder enforces strict community guidelines and violations can lead to bans. Here are some common reasons: using inappropriate or offensive language, being reported multiple times by other users, impersonating someone else or using fake profiles, spamming or promoting services, violating Tinder's terms of service. If you believe you were banned unfairly, don't worry, I will show you what you can do next. The first and best way to recover your Tinder account is by appealing the ban. Follow these steps. Go to Tinder's help center, open a browser just like this, and tap onto the search bar and type Tinder support page and search for it. Then here you can find submit a request right here, select it. Now simply tap onto what can we help with. Now tap onto this box right here, and here you can find the options right here. Here you can find trouble with account login, tap on it and tap onto what's going on, and here you can find my account was banned, tap on it. Now simply add your email address, phone number, description and add the files and simply submit it. Tinder does not always unban accounts, but if it was a mistake, you have a good chance of getting it back. If Tinder does not lift your ban, your best option is to create a new account. However, you can't just use the same details or Tinder will detect it and ban you again. Now follow these steps carefully. Use a new phone number. Tinder tracks your old numbers, to get a new SIM card or use a virtual number. Create a new Google or Apple ID. If you previously signed up with Google or Apple, create a fresh account. Use new photos and bio. Avoid using the exact same pictures or bio that were linked to your banned account. And don't link social media. If you linked Instagram or Spotify before, avoid linking them again. And that's it. Whether you successfully appealed your ban or had to make a new account, I hope this guide helped you get back on Tinder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.